Sunday when I'm recording this. I have a deadline logo job with YIMBYtown, Desegregate CT. They're going to be having an event and they paid me in full for this gig. 2 logos, 1 big and then 1 small and then a few individual. And it's great having a relationship with a client where they feel comfortable just paying me in full up front. So now it's my job to finish these logos, finish this design. So this is the ink drawing for YIMBYtown, New Haven. They wanted me to integrate the different places in New Haven. I'm a New Haven native, born and raised. So different pieces of architecture, different places in the city, just having that be seen in the logo. So this is the first one that I'm working on, just nailing the lines. It went through a few revisions. I have to ink everything like in comic books using the Procreate app, using the Apple Pencil, and making sure that everything just has clean lines and has the aesthetic that they want. I'm lighting myself with the Harlow Sol 5. I'm shooting in D-Log, so I will be adding color to this later and just establishing this really cool setup with the Osmo Pocket so that I'm well lit. And I've actually been taking some time to create some time-lapse videos for my art page because it's pretty simple. Just setting up the pocket, putting it in a corner, having different angles, and then showing how I draw and illustrate whatever projects I'm working on. Especially useful if I have an NDA and I can't really show the whole image. By the time this comes out, I'm sure the image will be approved, I'll be ready to go, but I have a lot of assignments where I've signed NDAs, so I'm not necessarily supposed to show the whole design or anything like that. So just showing that I'm working on something and having it in the background is actually a good way to get around that. So I'm making some coffee and taking a break, getting there. The ink drawing is done. I just need to finish that off, add the logo with the font that they wanted, and then start coloring. So I hope to be through most of this before tomorrow so I can be on track to finish it. And I have some smaller logos to do and then finalize the skinny logo that's going to be for social media. So making progress. I got a pot of water going so I can make this coffee and just keep it pushing. All right, it is about 10 o'clock. I am done. I have done as much as I can with the project for tonight. It's about 50 to, I'll say 65% colored in. I went for like a watercolor kind of effect, which is similar to what I did for a series of beer cans. Well, actually did one design for a beer can for the Arts and Ideas Festival, International Festival for Arts and Ideas for New Haven. So the client wanted a similar style to that. So I wanted to kind of reference my own work and throw in some other New Haven landmarks too. But I'm pretty happy with the way it's coming out. This will make doing the skinnier logo easier. And they wanted some of the similar assets for social media. So I'll be pretty much doing a trace of what I did already and just kind of expanding it for social media. But I think I have another 2 to 3, maybe 3.5 hours of work left on this project, and then I'll be ready for the client to review. Hoping there are no revisions, but we'll see. Things have been good so far. Clear communication with the client, making sure I understand what they want, and I just look forward to being finished with it. I think this is going to be great for my portfolio, my website, and hoping to get more work from them too, because they're fun to work with, communicative, and great.